finished the finishing stage of our STH guitar kit, so the next stage is to install some hardware. And the best place to start when installing hardware is our strap buttons. On an S-style guitar like this, generally have a strap button at the base and one just off the top horn of the guitar as well. So we'll start with the base. What I've done is put some masking tape on the body of the guitar. I've measured halfway between these two cavities, and then using my ruler very carefully so I don't scratch the surface, I've marked center there, and then using a set square, just marked down, measured half. I'm just marking my hole, and then I do the same at the top horn. Now the top horn, you can't really get an alignment correctly, so what I'd suggest is just to eyeball that. Your location, you want to be on the very peak of the slope of the top horn and about halfway down. And then you can remove your tape. So this low-tack tape is pretty useful in this regard because it's not going to remove any finish when you bring it up, when you're pulling it up off the guitar, but it will allow you to mark the guitar. Now the